Whether you lead a team, work directly with customers, or are applying for a job, Cambridge English Kahoots for Work help you improve your professional communication skills in English. Communication is more than just words. Our Kahoots are based on real-life work situations and help you communicate confidently, handle information effectively, improve team working, and be more creative in English. Our interactive language learning games make it simple to practice in a way that suits you. You'll see, hear, and study real language in phrases, sentences, and conversations. Find the words you need to communicate effectively and confidently at work. Try them out for free today.